Good morning. I'm attorney Gary Finklea in Florence, South Carolina. Work with the Finklea Law Firm. Today I wish to speak with you regarding notaries in the state of South Carolina. Notaries are regulated by the South Carolina Secretary of State, and the Secretary of State actually publishes an excellent manual regarding the conduct of notaries as well as how to become a notary. So if you're a notary and haven't seen this manual, I encourage you to read this. I've been a notary for over 15, 20 years, and even though I'm an attorney, I was not aware of this manual and some of the requirements that are placed on a notary. Now, I think that everything I do complies with this manual, but for those who don't have the legal background, I think it's very good to compare your practice to what's actually required. If you will go on the South Carolina Secretary of State's website, under notaries, you will see an option there for the manual. So click on this manual. It's actually over 40 pages long and contains very useful information. With the issues with identity theft and folks impersonating each other, I thought very instructive was the requirement that a notary confirm the identity of the person actually signing the document. In other words, if John Brown asks you to notarize his signature, you need to verify that John Brown is in fact John Brown. And the Secretary of State explains ways to do that. Now, in real estate transactions, we do that routinely. Every time anyone comes in our office, we ask for identification. Now, for other transactions like wills, powers of attorney, sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. But another acceptable form of identification is, in fact, if we just know those folk from other relationships, and that's often the case. But the best rule for notaries, including lawyers, is to always get a copy of the picture ID of the person who is signing the document. If you have any questions concerning the proper way to notarize a document, don't hesitate to give us a call if this guide doesn't answer your questions. Oftentimes we get issues from other states. We'll have a notary in another state execute a document and it doesn't comply with South Carolina law. That always creates a problem. Or we send a document to a notary in the state of South Carolina and that notary doesn't know where to sign. So there's all kind of pitfalls and things to look out for if you're a notary. I think this manual is a good start, but if you have any questions, please contact us at the Finklea Law Firm. You can reach us on the website at www.finklealawfirm.com. Actually, that's www.finklealawfirm.com or 317-4900, 843-317-4900. Thank you very much.